Hello, hi there. This is the continuation of our discussion last time, where think you can still recall what we have discussed last time. This is about how to create the layouts using your Adobe CC Animate. And last time we have this background of a tree. Now I will what you call this? I will again show that the drawing to you. Okay, using the stage, and of course this is the stage, and I will go to my Drive C and check my previous image. This is a part of our discussions for um, creating our layout inside using your Adobe CC Animate. Okay, I will just check my background here. So this is the art that we created last time. So I'll just open it right here and we have it here. Now, the size of this canvas is 720 by 420. We can resize this going to your Adobe CC, and at the same time, well, you need to go to the free transform for this. You can transform this and then press Control minus just to adjust the screen, the full screen. Okay, you can do that. Okay, this is basic. Okay, now this is the drawing that we have done. I think that was last week. Okay, and the purpose of this is to create the layout using okay, for the newcomers. How did I come up with this kind of drawing? I am using the free online tool for this background. So where is that? I'm gonna go right here. Okay, I'll check it again, and then this is where I do the drawings, the click it paint.co. I'm not endorsing this, but I like this because the tools are pretty cool. At the same time, this is just like your Photoshop. But again, if you want to create your own drawing, another way around of putting up more ornaments on it, then you can use the Photoshop. So the purpose of this discussion is this is very simple. We need really to what you can is to create a background. At the same time, this is the layer that we create a background, and you have here the layer one for that. So I don't want to explain anymore what is layer one. This is already covered in my previous tutorial. So you just check my previous tutorial, my YouTube channel. So we can rename this to what? To layer one or background maybe. Okay, so this is the background. Now this will serve as the POW or proof of work of our drawings for animations and for other purposes. Like for example, if you have the storyboards. Now here is, of course, we have the background right here. And at the same time, I would like also to check my what do you call this? My clicky tool at the other side. So creating the layout is very simple. You have the background, same time you have the objects or the characters. Let's say we create a character right here. So we have here the characters. So this will be our rough what you call this canvas for the character. So we're gonna creating our character like, for example, this is the character, and then of course following the principles of what of the square of the of the spheres. Okay, so this is, let's say this is our character and we want to design it. Okay, I don't want to detail it anymore. Okay, so we have here the character, then you have here the kid. Okay, this will serve as your layout. And okay, so we have here the character for that. And at the same time, well, of course, now always follow the principles of drawing. So we have, of course, what are the principles in drawing? And the principles is to use the following. So we have to use what are the principles? The exaggeration, of course, this is the total of that. And of course, we have here the balance, and of course, the solidity of the drawing. Like, for example, this will be the character of that. So you need to create your turnaround shots for this, the side view, the front view, and of course the back view. But again, for the sake of this quick discussion, well, this is a quick discussion. So next time we will have to continue it again for the party. This is the part of or creating the first layout. Okay. So what will happen is this will serve as our canvas just to create our objects for the background of our Adobe CC Animate. Okay. Now let's say we want to create the drawing right here. So we have here the layer one. Okay. This is the first layer. We need to create now the second layer. Okay. What will happen to the second layer is we're gonna what you call this what you call this disable this now. This will now part of the canvas wherein the background is in safe mode. Okay, so we have to create an object right here. Okay, now let us start the doodling. Now, you can use your Adobe CC Animate to create your background. For example, I will use the brush tool, and at the same time, this is my what do you call this? This is my tool. So I'll create a little kid right here. Okay, I'll change this to I think the size is not quite good, so I'll change this to something like that. Okay, smoothing. Where's that? I cannot see anymore the no the what you call this the here it is. Okay. So this is now the drawing tool that I would like to cover now. So this is the background. I just use this instead. Okay. So this is the background drawing. I'll create another highlight for this. Okay. Oops. All right. This is it. Okay. So this is the kid. Okay. I'll zoom it. And then, of course, this is part of the rough drawing. So I'll just, what you call, use the pen tool. So for example, this is the drawing for that. This is the background. Yes. I'll just do the clean up later on. And then like this. Okay. So this is very important to follow, of course, the thick and thin drawing of the animation, or maybe to your storyboard. Okay. So this is where it goes. Now I'll just highlight all of these things so that this become more, you know, not that, okay. So this is more lighter. This bit, okay. So what will happen is, of course, now this is the part of the rough drawing. Again, add another layer for this now. This is the rough drawing. I will rename this to rough drawing. Okay. So this is the rough drawing for that. And then this is your CU or the cleanup drawing. Okay. And then I can go right here and check, of course, the strokes of my drawing. I will make this as 3. All right. So what will happen is, of course, I'll gonna change this to black, okay, for the cleanup process and do like that. Okay, this is too much and thick, so I'll just change this to okay, or maybe. So I'm just creating my own tools right here, okay, my own character for the background, for the layouts. So this is the kid, okay. We'll color it later on, and then we create a mischievous kid. All right, the combinations of different type of character, and then uh, follow the principles of maybe exaggeration drawing. Okay, so creating a character is, you know, is one of the best ingredients. If one of the best ingredients for the background, it completes the elements inside the drawing. Okay, so I have here. Okay, so do you have it? I'll almost finish my drawing. So never mind about this. Now we can later on, you know, modify those things. And then after that, we're gonna use the color. Okay, so be sure that this is close with a large gap. Okay, now what happened here is I have still my this is the CU, so I'm gonna what you call this do this again in other way around. Oops. All right, please wait. I think I have problem right here. So this is the CU. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, and then do now the magic works. Okay, so this is the CU. What happened? I don't know what happened. Okay, that's there you have. And then we gonna what you call this change again this color. Okay, this is yellow, or you can use different combinations of the colors. Okay, all right. And don't worry about this. We can clean this up later. Okay, we can clean this up later. If you want to clean up this up, you can point the the cursor here or the pointer tool here. Okay, that's part of the game. No, I mean, you cannot perfect it always. Okay, so I'm gonna finish first the drawing at the top. So there you have it here at the top. Okay, I'm using the freehand draw, but again, if you are not comfortable with the freehand draw, you can use the line drawing tool. Okay, using the line. Okay, so there you have it. And what text? Okay, let us color it again at the top. Okay, and then we're gonna what provide colors for the skin. Okay, so this bit of cartoony drawing, creating your own character. All right, there you have it. Be sure that the lines are all close, or else, of course, it will spill off. Okay, you go right here. Then, okay, let us finish these first things for first. Then, of course, oops, you can use the manual tool for manual painting. Okay, and then let's check it. All right. Okay, and then we're gonna use what you call this the paint tool again, because I think there's a problem with my lines. So there you have it. Okay, so this is the finished product of our drawing. And at the same time, we go to the layer and let us check what will happen. if you have the drawing here. Okay, I don't know what happened to that background. Where's that background? Okay, I will check again the background, and then of course we'll have to import it from the states. Import from the states. I think I erased the background. Okay, import from the states file. Import from the states. So what happened is I'm gonna do it like this. Then replace item, and I don't know what happened. Then just change this. Just check that. Okay, there you have it. Okay, now I think I'm gonna erase this first, or maybe control. Okay, that's it. Okay, oops. I'll remove that screen here. Okay, and then unlock it here. So I have here now the drawing. Okay, with my, I'll put it here. Then let us finish this. Okay, I forgot to color the eyes, to put colors to the eyes. So it is white. Then that's it. And then let us copy this color from here. Then let us modify that a bit. Oops. Let us modify that a bit. Okay. That's it. So we have the finished product of our drawing. This is now part of the layout. Okay. So you can see that we have the trees, and we have here, of course, the kid. And at the same time, of course, you can also add, dynamism to the drawing here. How to add the dynamic drawing. Of course, we can put here, of course, the line, and use this tool. Oops. Use this tool. Oops. Use this tool, and we can provide more color. And then what's that color? Well, you can use dark color for that. Like for example, this one, it will create dynamism also to the drawing. Okay, something like that. And after that, what will happen? You erase this line, and then you now start now to provide some dots like that. Okay, same thing will happen here. Okay, here. Okay, you again copy the color. So to copy the color, use this eyedropper tool, and you go again and click this thing, and then you go darker. Then you put it right here. So there you have it. So I think we are already complete this drawing. Okay, so we're gonna finish this right here, and make some curves, and of course put the dots here. So this is the finished product of our drawing. As you can see, well, of course, now this is where you create your basic storyboard, your basically art to scenes for the animations, and related forces for the project. So again, please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel. Thank you so much for watching.